Yes. Dr. Minnie in the house. All right.
I appreciate that.
The carnivore diet.
Because of what we eat.
Honestly, you've really touched my heart.
So what they've discovered is with the drop in estrogen, there's an up to 25% drop in brain energy. And that they're picking up brain energy by doing these scans where they see like the brain lighting up as it's producing ATP, basically, as it's, producing energy. And 25% drop is quite a lot.
It's huge.
I mean, it's quite scary. And it's because the mitochondria have temporarily lost, not temporarily, they're less able to use glucose for energy. There's an imperative to start to use ketones for energy, preferably ketones from diet or from the body's burning the body's own fat, as you know, like that's the best way, mobilize them, and then the brain can use those ketones. Roberta Brinton, in one of her papers, and I can provide the citation for this, she talks about if the brain can't do that, if it can't readily access ketones, usually because of insulin resistance, it will resort to cannibalizing the myelin
Crazy.
of the nearby cells.
Crazy.
Which, if you just think about that, is not good.
No.
And that is potentially where one of the mechanisms, probably one of several mechanisms, that what both these researchers, Mosconi and Brinton, have proposed, that menopause is when dementia starts at menopause. Alcohol is not friendly to the perimenopausal brain. And I say that, I actually did have a drink last night, so I'm not totally off it.
Yeah.
I mean, I'll go months without it, and then because I'm visiting family, I have the occasional, very occasional, but I find that with myself and with my patients and many people that I've talked to,